Hello, this is Basics of Geometry, Segment and Angle Bisectors, Example 1. And here we need to find the midpoint of segment AB, and it tells us that the endpoints are -2, 3 and 5, 2, 5, -2. So here's the points, and if I let this be point 1, this be point 2, that makes this x1, y1, x2, y2. Same way when we were doing the distance formula. But instead of the distance formula, we're going to use the midpoint formula. And the midpoint formula figures out this point, and this is the x part of the midpoint, and this is the y part of the midpoint. Now, see, this is the x part of the midpoint, and this is the y part of the midpoint. We'll be using this in the next example. And so we're going to use this formula. And so, see, I get -2 plus 5. I get 3 plus a minus 2. And -2 plus 5, that's 3. So this is 3/2 for the x part of the point. And the y part of the point, 3 plus a minus 2. Well, that's the same thing as 3 minus 2 over 2. So we end up with 3/2, 1/2. So that is the midpoint, 3/2, 1/2.